Hey, Achiever fam! We've all been raving about Shilajit, the ancient mountain black slime that has some amazing benefits. But hold on, before you stock up and build a Shilajit shrine, let's talk about side effects, because even the most magical sounding stuff can have its downsides, and Shilajit is no exception. So, in today's video, we'll answer the question, is the pure Shilajit supplement safe? The truth they don't want you to know. So, let's get started. First of all, I'd like to apologize because somewhere in the last two videos I mentioned Shilajit as an herb, but it is not a plant. Actually, Shila means rock in Sanskrit and Jit means conquer and win, so Shilajit approximately translates to conqueror of mountains. For over 3,000 years, it has been thought to be a cure-all, boosting libido, slowing aging, increasing immunity, strengthening bones, cleansing pollutants, and more. It's mostly found in mountains, especially in the Himalayas, and it's the result of thousands of years of plant decomposition. So now let's begin with the side effects. First up is the heavy metal issue. Shilajit comes from rocks, and sometimes those rocks contain not so friendly metals like lead, arsenic, and mercury. Yikes! Now, reputable brands purify their Shilajit to remove these nasty elements, but it's crucial to choose wisely. Do your research, read reviews, and don't be afraid to ask questions before buying. Second, there's the iron overload possibility. Shilajit is naturally high in iron, which is generally a good thing, but too much iron can lead to hemochromatosis, a condition that messes with your organs. So if you already have high iron levels or certain health conditions, Shilajit might not be your best friend. Always check with your doctor before adding any supplement, especially Shilajit. Third, allergic reactions should be taken care of. Like any other substance, Shilajit can trigger allergies in some people. Symptoms like rashes, itching, or even trouble breathing can be seen in some cases. So, start slow and pay attention to your body's response. If anything feels off, stop immediately. Fourth, potential interactions with medications. If you're already taking meds, especially blood thinners or diabetes medications, Shilajit might interact with them. This can be dangerous, so always talk to your doctor before combining Shilajit with any other medication. And lastly, the not a cure-all disclaimer. Remember, Shilajit is a fascinating natural substance, but it's not a magic bullet. If you have serious health concerns, focus on prescribed treatments. Shilajit might be a complementary addition, but never a replacement for professional medical advice. So, is Shilajit safe? It depends. When sourced responsibly, used under proper guidance, and with awareness of potential side effects, it can be a safe and potentially beneficial addition to your wellness routine. So, that's it for today. See you in another video. Subscribe to our channel to get notifications from the Super Achievers Club. Comment down if you have any other doubts about Shilajit.